Hello student, myself Professor Sagar V.Pekhale from KTHM College, Department of Bioprinting Technology. Today we are going to discuss about dancer roller. The INFEED section of web offset press includes all equipments from the roll stand to the first printing unit that control the speed, tension and lateral position of the web. What is web offset machine? The machine on which a web of paper or any other material is continuously feeding for printing is called web offset machine. In web offset printing process, the unwinding of paper reel is continuously fed from start to delivery section of the machine. What is web tension? Web is passing through web offset press, creating a force is known as web tension. The uniform tension and accurate lateral flatness must be maintained to achieve registration. So, the web tension can be controlled by dancer roller system and brake system. The dancer roller in the INFEED section of the web press has two primary functions. First one is to regulate the rate at which paper unwinds from the roll, and second function is to establish and maintain the web tension. The function of the brake is to control the rate at which paper unwinds at whatever tension is established by the weight of the dancer roller. In the first diagram, you can see that if the same amount of paper passing from point A to point B, that is going into the press, the position of the dancer roller will remain same at normal and no correction or changes will be there in the brake setting. In the second diagram, you can see that if the more paper is passing from point A to point B, the loop will lengthen and the dancer roller will move towards the low position. This movement will apply more brake to the roll and will slow the rate at which the roll is unwinding and restore the dancer roller to its normal position. In the third diagram, you can see that if the lace paper is passing from point A to point B, the loop in which the dancer roller is hanging will shorten and the dancer roller will move towards the high position. The dancer roller is connected to the brake in such a manner that the movement towards the high position will relax the amount of brake being applied to the unwinding roll. This will allow the roll to unwind more rapidly at the established tension and will return the dancer roller to its normal position. It should be remembered that tension variation create problem with register doubling and slurring. For example, any tension variations at point A which can be caused by an uneven roll, the action of the brake will be passed through the loop and to point B and into the press. In a system like the one illustrated, not only the action of brake but also movement of the dancer roller will create tension variations. Any action of the dancer roller, either up or down, will change its effective weight and thus produces a change in tension. Unless a constant infeed is situated between this point and the press, these tension changes will produce printing problems. Thank you.